Hi everyone, we're making pasta today. Boil some water to make the pasta. Add the pasta to the boiling water. Put some salt and oil. Now let's add some oil. And some chopped ginger. Add some onions and whatever veggies you'd like. Add salt and garlic powder. Adding salt and garlic powder. Ooh, look, some yummy sauce. I'm going to add lots of sauce. Our pasta is cooked. We like to add chili powder because you get this nice red color and it's a little bit spicy. Dump all the pasta into the pasta sauce. Mix it all up. Everything is mixed well and it's ready to eat. It tastes really yummy. Yay, it's really yummy. Me and my brother are enjoying it.